In today's video, we will compare Chat GPT from OpenAI versus Gemini from Google. As Google's Gemini steps into the competitive landscape, the question arises, can it hold its ground against OpenAI's Chat GPT? With OpenAI, backed significantly by Microsoft, making Chat GPT publicly available in November 2022. It marked the start of a rivalry with Google for dominance in the generative AI arena. Fast forward to a little over a year, Google announced Gemini, their most sophisticated AI system yet, set to launch in December 2023. The race for innovation between OpenAI and Google is fast-paced. This discussion aims to unpack the notable features and pricing strategies of OpenAI's Chat GPT and Google's Gemini, providing you with essential insights to decide if Gemini outperforms Chat GPT for your business applications. Gemini versus Chat GPT. A head-to-head comparison of Gemini and Chat GPT reveals distinct offerings and capabilities, notable releases and availability. Gemini introduces 3 versions, Ultra, Pro, and Nano, with launches slated for 2024 and December 2023 respectively. Chat GPT has been available since March 2023 with its GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 versions. Access to free and paid chatbots. Gemini users can access the Pro version for free in available regions, while Chat GPT offers free access to GPT 3.5. Paid options vary, with Google One AI Premium at $19.99 a month and Chat GPT Plus starting at $20 a month. API accessibility. Both platforms support API access, catering to developers' needs for integrations and advanced applications. Both AI systems present a spectrum of chatbot and API options, ranging from free access to premium subscriptions. Gemini's offerings. The free trial of Gemini Pro is available, with a transition to paid plans upon general availability in 2024. Gemini Advanced opens up access to the more potent Ultra 1.0 LLM at $19.99 a month through Google One AI Premium. Chat GPT's offerings. Free access to Chat GPT with GPT 3.5 upon sign-up. Paid upgrades like Chat GPT Plus enhance features and access, including integration with DALL-E for image generation, starting at $20 a month. Developer-focused pricing. For developers, both platforms offer enticing options, from free access with limitations to varied pricing based on usage and model selection, ensuring a wide range of development possibilities. Feature comparison. Exploring Gemini and Chat GPT engaging directly with either system is the best way to grasp their capabilities. Gemini and Chat GPT allow experimentation with text, code, data, and images, showcasing their multimodal and versatile nature. Pros and cons. Gemini stands out with its 3-tiered approach, catering to different needs with its Nano, Pro, and Ultra versions. Its multimodal design and integration with various Google services enhance its appeal. Chat GPT has established a strong presence with its GPT-4 model, offering extensive resources and guides. Despite its popularity, OpenAI's recent leadership issues and data transparency concerns have prompted some to seek alternatives. OpenAI versus Google. At its core, the competition between OpenAI and Google spans technological innovation, sustainable business models, and capturing public and developer interest. This rivalry is driving advancements, offering a wider choice of AI solutions to customers. Choosing between Gemini and Chat GPT. For immediate needs, OpenAI's Chat GPT with its established API offerings may be the go-to choice. However, the evolving landscape and Google's ambition with Gemini suggest that keeping an open mind and exploring both options could be beneficial for long-term AI strategy. Monitoring and experimenting with both OpenAI and Google's offerings are advisable as they continue to refine their AI platforms, aiming to deliver solutions that are not only innovative, but also sustainable and practical for various applications. Which one would you choose? Let us know in your comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.